going into this solo episodes versus interview episodes, I think I've painted the picture of why should you do the solo. Maybe we'll refresh your memory. You should do your solo because you should also be an expert. You should do your solo because, oh, we didn't say this part. You could do your solo because that only has to be a 5-minute freaking episode. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minutes, 10, 12 minutes. If you do a 6-minute episode on your own, is that faster or slower than sitting down with somebody else for an hour? Obviously, it's much, much, much faster. How many do you think you could do in the same amount of time? Probably 3, 4, 5, or 6 different ones. So first and foremost, you're going to be able to have the trust and you're going to be the expert for your listener, who hopefully is your perfect avatar, who hopefully is the right person that needs to hire you to get them to the next level. And then the second part is you can probably do more in a shorter amount of time. Now, I have to admit that it's easier in a way to do those interview episodes because I freaking have to be there at that exact time. Like, if I'm doing a solo episode and I don't have to do it at a certain exact time, I'm going to say, oh, I kind of got to pay my credit card payment today. Oh, I've kind of got to renew my car today. Okay, I'll do my episode, my solo episode today, but I really have to go and get my oil changed, or I've got to do the groceries. If I don't do I got to go pick up my kid. I've got this other call. I've got this other urgent thing. You always have something in your way. And so sometimes it's too easy, if you will, too easy to postpone the solo episode because you don't usually have somebody there to hold you accountable. So in fact, today, I did have a kid concert to go to. And I said to my girlfriend, I said, hey, when we get back to the house, I need you to make me go and record my solo episodes. And so she's there to hold me accountable. And that's what you might need. You need some type of accountability. If it is, put in your calendar and you see it and you're like, oh yeah, but this other thing is also really important, or this other thing will make me money right now. And you might put it off. So it can be hard to record them because you're only accountable to yourself, but it can be easy to record them because you can make them shorter.